Everyone, welcome back to Shib Kai. Amazon's recent actions to assist Shiba Inu coins hit $1.00 this year. Today's Shib news: the Shiba Inu community has stayed optimistic and has continued to expand thanks to the mem coin's increasing usage. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is working on a number of initiatives, such as the blockchain-based games Shivarium, a layer 2 network, and the much-awaited metaverse Shib. This video will discuss the recent actions taken by Amazon to help Shiba Inu coin reach $1.00 this year. Today's Shiba Inus. To view our most recent material, remember to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Let's get started with the video right away. Former members of the Shiba Inu community founded Welly, a burger restaurant run by the doggy DAO that takes ships. Earlier this year, the Turkish government also announced aspirations to collaborate with the meme coin ecosystem. It is anticipated that the initiatives would transform the SHIB token from a cryptocurrency parody to something more serious, which will significantly increase its value. SHIB is up 4.3% over the past day, trading at 0.93. The first decentralized investment fund in history, Civilization, the protocol, announced in a blog post that DIFT intends to introduce new liquidity pools for Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, including Shibone and Leash, to its C-Farm DeFi platform. The three pools, which are called the Shibone C1 LP staking pool, Bone 1 LP staking pool, and Leash 1 LP staking pool, will be referred to as Ryoshi Tribute pools. It's time for C-Farm to launch new DAO pools. In recent weeks, the community has shown a great deal of interest in an effort called Ryoshi Tribute for the first DAO pool session. It further stated that a proposal to include the pools on its governance platform, SciFarm DAO, had been put out for community vote. Every member of the community that owns an ecosystem rewards token, Stone, is eligible to participate in the election, which will run through November 27th. 13 votes were cast on the proposal, and all of them supported the addition of the pools. The pools will be accessible on C-Farm for 60 days on the day of their activation, following the conclusion of voting. The acceptance of Shiba Inu has been fueled by Civilization's increasing influence. Kusama Ryoshi, the pseudonymous author of Shiba Inu, and the Shiba community are credited with inspiring the protocol, which was launched precisely 1 year after Shiba Inu was founded. Through its CIV Community Investment Vehicle token, which is also available on upcoming CeFi and DeFi exchanges, Civilization aims to make investments accessible to anyone. Civilization's current endeavor is merely the most recent developments in the Shiba Inu environment. The Shiba Inu community has also welcomed a significant agreement with Amazon this week, which will see the online retailer launch a campaign to assist in burning SHIB tokens. In a similar vein, Ryoshi tweeted that the World Economic Forum may be considering collaborating with the mem coin to assist create metaverse regulations, and that the Shiba Inu ecosystem may be on their radar. Due to these efforts, the SHIB price may soon rise above bearish trading and hit all-time highs. The most recent price data indicates that the meme coin is trading at around 0.89, down 1.12% over the previous day, from the SHIB's peak price of 0.000087 in October 2021. This current price reflects an 89.8% decline. Even though they are relatively new to the market, memo coins have become one of the most well-liked cryptocurrency assets in the sector. With Shiba Inu at the forefront, the Dogecoin competitor has emerged as one of the most remarkable assets, causing a stir in the cryptocurrency world. The foundation of the SHIB network's ongoing expansion and development is strategic alliances and cooperation. Shiba Inu has negotiated a huge agreement at a time when the majority of virtual currencies are struggling to survive the wider upheaval in the crypto industry. A recent release states that Bite, a provider of cryptocurrency payment solutions, has teamed up with Atheist Shoes, a footwear manufacturer, to take Shiba Inu as payment. It's interesting to note that consumers who want to pay using K9 tokens might benefit from a temporary 10% discount. Additionally, as the majority of platforms have started to expand the use of the token on their payment networks, the meme coin has been gradually evolving into a useful cryptocurrency asset that tourists may utilize. Among cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has become one of the most popular utility assets after adding it to the Binance card, which enabled Visa card holders to spend at over 60 million merchant locations globally. Binance increased its visibility. Shiba Inu has seized the opportunity to overtake Dogecoin as the most popular meme token thanks to increased community support. Shib, which was created as a substitute for Doge, is one of the most popular meme tokens for transactions, and many companies have already integrated it for BitEye payments. The new collaboration marks yet another significant turning point for the leading meme cryptocurrency, which aims to overtake Dogecoin as the best. The top 2,000 ETH whale holdings include a variety of cryptocurrency tokens, but Shib holds the top spot according to data from the whale tracking website WhaleStats. According to reports, the meme cryptocurrencies whales own over $68 million, 0 cents worth of ETH tokens, while Uni comes in second with around $43,500,000, 0 cents in best tokens in third. Shib ranked fourth as the most held cryptocurrency token according to an analysis of the top 100 ETH whales at now 74,299,481,235 SHIB tokens valued at $690,838, 0 cents are held by these top 100 Ethereum whales. However, there are more and more whale addresses holding SHIBs, and recent action indicates that the token provides opportunities for the big ETH whales. However, whales are still to hold more of the meme asset despite market fluctuations. The price of SHIBs may rise as a result of the recent occurrence of 2 episodes in the ecosystem, partnerships and whale behavior. Speculation is the primary factor influencing the price of the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu is down 2.7% over the past day, trading at 0.9399. Based on evidence, a lot of investors think Shiba Inu isn't a utility coin. Our assessment team found that Shib's most effective weapon is marketing, even as that issue lingers. The cryptocurrency rose in October 2021 when most altcoins consolidated, utilizing the buzz Dogecoin generated during the meme coin era to position itself as a superior substitute was the driving force behind its incredible surge. After Dogecoin had peaked and SHIB had positioned itself at the ideal moment, investors looked for another meme coin. Many investors questioned the SHIB's usefulness even before it took flight in 2021. However, a lot of investors purchased the token due to speculation, which caused demand to rise sharply. When Shiba Inu blends successful marketing techniques with favorable market mood, it has enormous potential. Shiba Inu has reported a rise in their token burn rate with 223,264,370 SHIB tokens burned in the last 7 days, surpassing 134 million SHIB tokens burned in the previous week. This is a noteworthy rise in burning speed, considering that the previous week only 106,780,540 SHIB were destroyed and 29 transactions were made. This indicates that the current weekly statistic shows an almost 100% increase in tokens burned in this time frame. Shiba Inu's burning rate often has an impact on SHIB's price, which seems to have pumped this past week. Actually, SHIB was worth 0.8244 last Tuesday. SHIB is currently worth 0.0009106, even if it touched the price of 0.99595 during the week. Not at all like the week before, when the SHIB's price seemed to drop in addition to the decreased burning. SHIB was worth about 0.9167 on November 15th, and on November 22nd, it was exactly at a lesser value. However, from a monthly viewpoint, SHIB is still in a negative trend as October closed at 0.12. That's a wrap for today. To view our most recent material, remember to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up.